Carefully lay the refrigerator on its back to expose both the front and rear assemblies. Using needle nose pliers, grip and pull out the roller pin, securing the front wheel. Once the pin is removed, slide off the old roller. Position the new wheel into place, ensuring proper alignment with the bracket. Insert the roller pin through the wheel and bracket. If the pin resists, gently tap it through using a hammer. For the rear roller replacement, use needle nose pliers to carefully bend back the metal flap covering the rear roller pin. While holding the wheel to prevent it from dropping, slide out the roller pin. Remove the old wheel and replace it with the new one. Align the new wheel and reinsert the roller pin securely. Once pin is fully seated, bend the metal flap back into its original position using the pliers. Confirm that both front and rear wheels rotate freely and are properly aligned. Return the refrigerator to its upright position.